on, everybody? So look, man, today I'm gonna be filming a video of what I eat in a day as a raw vegan, okay, on a budget. And just to give you guys a little bit of context, okay, I am not actually raw vegan, but yesterday, just out of the blue, I just ate raw vegan without even thinking about it. And the reason being is because I was in nature, I was eating a very wide range of fruits. It kind of just led to me not needing to eat any cooked food. I was sunbathing, forest bathing. I was nourished on both a physical level and a metaphysical level as well, because food for the soul is extremely important as well, and a lot of people don't even, consider that or acknowledge it. But for breakfast, I'm having my tea, my hierbas, okay? Esta verdana y sarsaparilla, okay? Y limon for the iron absorption. Gonna go and get some lunch, work out, you feel me, do a few things, but cheers to being raw vegan. Oh, and then lastly, I want to say this. High raw vegan is essentially 75% raw, 25% cooked, okay? So I just got up over here at this Winco, which is close by my house. What I'm going to be getting from here is pineapple, some coconut aminos, and a few other things to make this very delicious salad that I'm about to make with lion's mane. Lion's mane is actually really, really good for the brain. Yeah, I'm going to make that as well as get some things for dinner, and I'll show you guys the prices of everything that I get in here as well. So believe it or not, I actually have a bunch of greens growing at my mom's house. So I'm going to go swing by there and get me some kale, some Swiss chard, some cilantro, and maybe some mustard greens as well, because they really do grow wild in my backyard, which I'll show you guys right now, okay, after I get done grocery shopping. So something I want all of you guys to know is this: broccoli sprouts of any kind are very, very nutritious for the human body, okay? It packs a lot of nutrition, more than the actual plant, okay? So for anybody out there that's looking for a great substitute for soy sauce, what you can do is get coconut aminos, okay? Coconut aminos is soy free and it comes from coconuts, so like this is the best thing that you can get. This right here, that's the big one. Actually, I might get two. Every time I see one of these, I always have to do a muscle up. This is gonna be kind of a reoccurring thing for sure. Is I. Alright, so I just created this very beautiful salad. It's done. Oh, and last but not least, put in my marinated lion's mane mushroom with broccoli as well. I am so mad. So this right here was my garden. People don't take care of shit, you feel me? And it is what it is. But, they wonder why I be... Never mind. I was gonna show y'all some greens, but apparently the gardener has came and whacked it all. It is what it is. But if you look closely, you can see some cilantro there growing. And there was a whole bunch of cilantro. There's cilantro right there. There's cilantro right there. Right here. Right there. Ooh, okay, so here is a mustard green that was growing in the native soil. There's even cilantro growing right here with a dandelion. So this here is my kale plant, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of kale that's still here. Apparently they was like, I value this and we're not gonna cut this. Now right here we have my Jupiter grape vine plant, and this is a baby of mine, so I think I'm gonna take this one with me and bring it over to the other house. But if you look close, you can see the buds, the little grapes forming. So that right there is a grape. That's a grape. That's a grape. That's a grape. Yeah, I'm gonna take her with me and save her. Let's get the weeds out of there, because we don't want them robbing her of her nutrition. So me being me, I am saving my Jupiter grapevine and I'm taking it over to my house, which is not too far from where I'm at right now. So I've got two tents, holding her up, so that way she doesn't fall too much that way and fall too much this way or to the sides. So let's see if I can be successful at not damaging her.
It will be, but we just need more time to see. I know how you want it now, but we must slow down, slow down.
You guys are not gonna believe how much I actually spent at the grocery store, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, okay? So I spent actually a total of $70 at the grocery store. Now, for some of you, you're gonna be thinking, dang, Jay, this is really expensive. I would never do this ever, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. That's actually really, really not a lot of money. As well as when it comes to your health, you should be willing to do the most for your health, because health honestly is wealth. And if you don't take care of your health now, you will end up paying for it later on, because diabetes, you feel me, back and forth to the hospital visits, all of that stuff is not cheap. Pills, medication, you feel me, not being able to get your PP hard when your girl want to have sex, you feel me, or not having enough energy to play with your kids, you feel me. So like all of that stuff is super, super valuable, okay? And like I said, man, if you don't pay for your health now, you're gonna end up paying for it later, and that's the unfortunate truth. All right, so it's a little later in the day, and what I've had is a bunch of pistachios. I've had a big salad. Now I'm eating some dragon fruit, okay, which I'm thoroughly enjoying. And yeah, y'all, this is just what I've ate in a day as a raw vegan. I know the price may be like a little expensive, but honestly, like if it's about my health, you feel me, I'm gonna do whatever it takes for my health to be, you know, the best, okay? So I know a lot of people would be like, oh, Jay, you spend all this money on, you know, this, that, and third, and it's like, bro, how many times have we spent money on J's? How many times have we spent money on alcohol? Weird ass nights with women doing goofy ass shit that makes no sense. There's people in the club right now spending like $200 a night on alcohol. It's crazy. So I don't care. When it comes to my health, man, I'm gonna spend that last dollar if I got to, okay, period. So it's the next day, and I just want to let you guys know in summary, you know, I did spend a little bit more than $70. I think it was like $72, $73. But all in all, we all should be valuing our health to the highest degree, and we shouldn't trip. I tried to be as cheap as possible with this on a very realistic tip, you feel me, not going too far out of my way to make this cheap, but also trying to make this as cheap as possible. But for those that really want to make this lifestyle as affordable as possible, what you can do is watch this video right here up in the corner somewhere, and this will show you how to make this lifestyle really, really affordable. Check it out. Peace.